All right, July 27th, 3:09 p.m. 98 degrees out. So what I'm gonna do is put y'all on this tripod and see how far we get before the heat cuts you off. So right now I'm just gonna zoom in so I can see myself install this window. All right, so yeah, I think that's enough. Oh, the shade, some clouds, thank goodness. All right, so it's a door window. I'm just turning sideways, but whatever. All right. See if I can get this door open. Woo! Hallelujah.
Not this door.
Yeah, not that door.
Then what's weather is time for? Then what's weather is? Try to go outside, see what weather it is.
Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh.
Mom, what that smell like? The smell. What's that smell?
Oil, I guess, Sophia.
Oil? What did she anything that smell like oil?
No. Oh, come on. All right, the camera stayed. I got it up there. It needs some bracing. Let me show you guys what I did. I had to run and brace because I know once I hit it with that hammer or that nail gun, I didn't want it to all fall down. So I went, put the brace on it right there, pushed up against the wheelbarrow wheel. Then I nailed it in. This door is wood. I have to put the top on it, of course. Yeah, it does have a curve in it, which is okay with me because Cobb is forgiving. I can feel that where I want to. Y'all, the glass, it still has everything on it. I just got to pull it off. It's a light window. So you can see the film is still on it. I just got to peel the film and everything back when I'm ready. But this is it. So put these two bracings to where I want it to fall, and they're nailed in there. So guys, what do you think? This window is up in this pallet house. That's the first window. I still got to put a window right here. I want a window right here as well. I need to put the bracing above the top of that one. I want to put I have 4 doors like this, or three more. So I have one more to go, or is it 3 more I have? So anyway, one is going. So the next window, this is the door. This one is just like it, but it's metal for outdoor. You can see it's framed in metal. So it has the metal on it. So that door is going right here. And I think I have 2 other windows. And the other one is going right here. So I stained this wood. It's going to sit right here. And the window is going right here. So, all right, I guess that'll be the next one. So we got the west window framed and in. Well, we got it in. I'll have to put the 2x4 across the top, cut it and put it across the top. And let me see. I'll just keep filming. If it doesn't get too hot, thank God. Look at all these clouds that just showed up. Like, anyway, let me put you back over here just in case the sun comes out. I don't want to stop working. So, let me zoom in and put some bracing at the top. Okay, I'm trying to see what y'all seeing but I think I am. All right, that's the window. All right, let's see if we can get some 2x. Where's my stash of 2x right here? Put some more blocking, but still be on. So I'll slide you on
I'll
the
tell you something. The kids just run away from the shower and go to your mom.
Oh, they're with their mommy? That's good.
Yeah, I hope Annie doesn't go away from her.
Yeah, she's not gonna leave them.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.